Hey everyone, Jonathan Rose here, and I have something very special for you. I want to invite you to try a free week of Active Day Trader's Premier Service. And this one's 100% on me. No credit card down. All you need to do is click the link and sign up, and you're going to get all the benefits that Premier members get for a full week. Let me walk you through exactly how it works. Every Sunday, I'm going to share 8 to 12 of my best trade ideas. I'm going to send you a spreadsheet. I'll send you a video explaining each one of those trades. On Monday, let's get together. We're going to do a live class. When traders have questions, traders need answers. On Monday, we'll meet up 30 minutes, 45 minutes, answer any questions that you have, and we'll review the trades together. Tuesday is going to be all about Mythbusters. I've trained over 100 professional traders. On Tuesday, I'll go through the 4 reasons why most of those traders fail. On Wednesday, I'm going to introduce the best futures trade that I know. On Thursday, I'll introduce you to some of our members. And on Friday, I have something very special for you. Again, guys, this one's 100% on me. No credit card, no commitment whatsoever. All you have to do, click the link below and try a free week. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks a lot. Jonathan Rose, Active Day Trader.